The steam engine, for its size, is one of the most powerful vehicles on land. And the steam engines that make up Hornby World are no exception. This is Hornby Adventures.
While they were rebuilding the docks, there was a shortage on supplies, meaning that they were scarce. Yoshi and Tom were at the gravel pit, loading up their trucks full of gravel, but Yoshi wasn't paying attention. And he wasn't watching what he was putting under the hopper.
I'm sorry, what?
That dog's like fire.
Ow!
It was my fault. It really was. See, without you stupid thing. This is just.
Yoshi! Yoshi! Yoshi!
Huh?
There?
Next time, concentrate on what you're doing and not putting engines under the hopper. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll stop off at some washdown on the way. Let's get a move on. We better. Yoshi had called a steel company to help with the foundations of the new crane. They also offered them an engine, but he wasn't much help. What do you mean we should have it higher up? Because it's my way of thinking. Oh. Well, I'm sorry, are we living in bloody Wonderland? Oh wait, maybe we are. Ding, 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 ding. What's that up ahead? What the hell are those two doing? It's a steam engine. Congrats! You have more than 2 brain cells. What is going on here? Like, I'm just confused. This blumbering red moron thinks we should have the steel rig high up where it can hit things. Well, no offense, but Smokey is right. So you're believing him now? Oh, come on, you're seriously biased. I'm not biased, I just arrived here and it's simple common sense. Think about it. If you have a steel rig high up, it can hit things like trucks. Okay, goodbye. Well, because you're partners, well, f***ed off. Do you want to be partners with me? Definitely. I want to be your partner from the start. You won't fit over bridges. I'll show them. Look at this tunnel. What? No. They're not right. Come on. Fit, you dumb steel rig. Fit! Fit! Come on! Fit! Guess they're right. I'll have to go another way. I could go back all the way to the factory, or take the bridge route. They said it won't fit on the bridges. I'll show them they're wrong now. So Matt charged towards the bridge at full speed, but he failed to take other engines into account. As little did he know, drama would ensue. As Yoshi and Tom were approaching the opposite side of the bridge with the gravel, there was no way the engines could cross each other. When they did have to come face to face, somebody was going to have to go back the way they came. I did not need a gravel shower, Yoshi. Yes, sorry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Buddy? You're not supposed to come down here with the steel rig. You should have taken the other route.
Ugh, what other route?
Well, there was another route down the other line. You should have taken that route. That won't fit under the second bridge.
Yes, it will. Just watch me.
Okay, now you're pushing my buttons. You're going to have to go back the way you came. Okay, guys, calm it down. Let's not do something we're about to regret. Oh, I'm going to!
Oh, so it's a war, I see.
With neither side failing to give way, it came down to a duel.
Yoshi! Yoshi! Stop!
You should have gone the other track route. This is all your fault.
Come on,
you would not
control
yourself.
You wait, listen.
Finally, now for the route of the real winner. Okay. Now you're going to see what happened. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no, my steel rig, no. What are they going to say? Okay, you two morons, explain to me which one was in the wrong. Go on. I'll wait. It was the red. Oh no. Oh no, alright, that's James and Smokey coming down our line. Can you seriously believe that? Red son of a bitch took all the bets. No, I cannot. I would like to see that again, and I would like to strangle. Great. Now what do we do? Wait a minute. I have an idea. Blow your whistle. Quickly. What? No, it's trying to stop them. I'm trying to stop them. I think it might work. Well, at least it's shallow water. Ow. Okay. Welcome to the party, I guess. You don't say.
There you two are. Yoshi, the tank engine, I am not impressed with your actions on the bridge. I've heard all about it from the red diesel called Matt, and I heard from him that you tried to kill him.
What the actual shithouse? I did not do that. In fact, it was the opposite side of the story. He tried to kill us. You know, I realized that his steel support flew over us and hit the support, and then... Sorry to break the rage up, but where do you want this gravel? You know, we are pretty late.
Just leave it in a siding. They'll deal with it tomorrow. Now let's go get some rest.
Come on, let's go. And next time I see that race, I want to kill him with tankers. I'm sorry to say, but Yoshi's attitude did not change for a long time. Luckily, no serious damage had been done to James and Smokey, and their trucks were easily recovered from the river, even if all the wood was lost. The steel company was not impressed with the damage Matt had done to their bridge, but it turned out alright in the end. Yoshi gave them a refund, and he got a new steel rig free of charge. So, cue the credits.